Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I wanted to do a tutorial using the new Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette in the shade Fantascene. I love this packaging so much. It's so pretty and I love like the little rose gold detail. I was in love with the coconut collection last summer and I still like use and repurchase those products, so I'm really excited to see this eyeshadow palette come out. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this eye look, then be sure and subscribe to my channel and we'll get started. Alright, I'll get a drink of this. Side note, like all I get from Starbucks is hot chocolate because I hate coffee. So I've been trying to find like a good summer drink and I really like this. It's the very berry hibiscus with lemonade. I'm sure people have had this, I just never have. And I'm like in love with it. And I kind of want to pick up another one on my way to work. So first I'm going to go in with this lightest shade down here and it's called Flesh. And I'm going to use my Morphe E22 and then just use this to set all over my lid. I kind of want to use that like foiled metallic shade in this palette. I know like everyone is, but how can you not? Like, I'm pretty sure that's why everyone buys this palette. Honestly, I bought it for the pinks colors like in here because I've really been like loving a good pinky nude eye or purple, but I really do love that copper shade. So I think I am going to use that. Just going to make sure everything is set since I didn't do my foundation like I haven't lately. It's been getting warmer, so I'm kind of switching up my routine and I'm working only like, it's like a really short shift today. It's only like 4 hours, so I don't need my makeup to last all day like I usually do. Next, I'm going to use my Morphe M433 and I'm going to dip in to the next shade over called Covets. And there is like some kickback. I don't mind that. I know some people do, but I am not one of those people. Just figured I'd note it in case you're one of those people who hates that. I just dip in and then tap off the excess since I didn't really set my under eyes because I don't want to ruin underneath there. It's probably kind of risky business going in with that foiled shade all over my lid, but it's fine. I feel like my brows look like really rough today because I was hurrying and they weren't wanting to like lay down right, which I need to trim them up. Like I did get rid of like the extra hairs, but I didn't like trim them last night like I usually try to once a week. I definitely want to use the next shade over as well. So I'm going to use the same brush. That next shade over is called Fantasy. It's this one right there. And I'm going to put this in my crease. To be honest, I wore this dress today because it has like this coppery color almost in it, and I feel like it would go nicely with the eyeshadow look I want to do. I think this is actually my first Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette because like I've been interested in other ones, but my thing is like I already have them in other palettes and I love those palettes, so I know I wouldn't really reach for it. Like this one I know I will reach for like all summer. So yeah, so next, I guess, not first, we've already been doing stuff. Next, I'm gonna go in and use that shimmery shade. I think I'm just gonna try it wet. Like I'm gonna wet my G14 and pray for the best instead of using glitter glue. I'm kind of pressed for time because I had issues with my foundation today, so I had to like take it all off and then redo it. So this pretty shade I'm gonna use is Micha. I'm sure everyone is using this, so I'm sorry, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna have to like keep wetting my brush though because it keeps drying really quickly, which ain't okay. Okay, it's kind of messy, but I'm gonna go in and like clean it all up. I'm gonna use my favorite little tapered Morphe brush and I'm gonna dip into this like dark brown shade in the palette. It's called For More right here next to it. And this one has a lot more kickback, so hopefully I don't get any fallout on my face. I'm just going to deepen and blend out that outer V, outer corner and everything. So I'm going to go in with the shade Fantasy again and using that Morphe M433 again and just kind of blend things out like right above my lid space. I don't want any like harsh edges. So this is a pretty bold eye look and I left my makeup pretty normal today. And whatever, it's fine. I'm going to go in and make sure the gold is all still there and pretty. Don't want to lose any of it while blending. And then I'm going to go in and do my liner. I'm using my NYX matte liquid liner. Alright, so I put on some mascara on my top lashes. It's my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. It's just a Marc Jacobs day, okay? So now we're going to go in and do the lower lash line. And first I'm going to take my Morphe M411 and I'm going to dip into the shade Covets, this one right there. And I'm just going to sweep this under my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the next shade over, Fantasy, and do the same thing. Same brush, same thing. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe E18 brush, sorry, and I'm gonna dip into the For More shade right there, that dark brown, and just put this right onto that lower lash line, just in the outer corners, like the outer third. And then once there's like no product, then I'll like take it over. And then for my waterline, I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs gel highlighter that I always use in the shade Black. Okay, now I'm going to pop on mascara on my lower lashes. So I'm going to go with my Mega Volumes. Alright, while that dries, I don't have a Marc Jacobs blush, so I'm just going to go in with my NARS Orgasm. I just think it'd be really pretty because it has a little bit of shimmer. And I don't know, it just was a little bit more like corally, so I thought it might look nice. And I'm just using my Wayne Goss number 11. For highlight, I'm going to go in with my ABH and Resi highlights using my Wayne Goss number 15 fan brush. Just gonna, I have like this really pretty Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Kate. I bet that would be like really pretty, but alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!